And from one influential name to another, Roubini, the economist who predicted the financial crisis, says commodity prices may continue to climb next year. Those comments are influencing the price of oil this morning. Let's check in with John Ehrlichman. He's at our markets desk. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Allison. Well, you're absolutely right about that. The price of crude back above $70 a barrel, something we haven't seen in about a month's time. Roubini speaking at a conference in Australia, and his views on the outlook for commodities largely tied to his expectations for the global economic story. We heard Kathy talking about the story in China, the continued increase in manufacturing activity. As for the target expectations for GDP this year of 8% out of China, Roubini saying that is a realistic target overall. Meanwhile, we can talk about the performance not only of crude, but the continued climb in copper, which is at a 10-month high, and the CRB index, which tracks 19 commodities, comes into this day pretty close to its best levels of the year, only about 3% from the best levels of this year. Now, as for what the commodity story and Roubini's comments mean for currency stories, well, he's bullish on the commodity currencies. One example of that, the Aussie dollar, the Australian dollar, strengthening to its best level against the greenback since September. And while we are seeing some interest in those commodity currencies, we are seeing some weakness in the dollar. The dollar index tracking the greenback against a basket of currencies under pressure. And as you mentioned, we'll wait to see how the manufacturing data here in the U.S. looks later on today. Back to you.
Okay, that was Bloomberg's John Ehrlichman. Thanks.